they'll do. Behind him, Camilo Zurcher, Romeo Ferraris, and the Swiss team, Johnny Herbert. Johnny really wants to look at this, and Camilo Zurcher on the outside of Thomas Biagi. Can he get past? There's a lot of power in that Mercedes, and he's done so. Larini's gone with him as well. I think Larini might... Oh, and a big lock up behind him. Who was that? Sandro Bettini. Huge crash at the front, and I think that's... No, that's Zurcher. Oh, that's got to be a problem. It might even bring the red flag out for that, because there's a Filito Motors Jaguar, and that's Gianni Morbidelli, number 45, and smoke coming out of the machine as well. So, oh, Camilo Zurcher's off. Number 4 had Sandro Bettini, thought he might be involved in that, and even the safety car's stuck at the back of all of this. No safety cars out on track. That's sorry about that. Number 45, we're looking from Gianni Morbidelli's machine. So number 3. Unfortunate, Thomas Biagi out as well, so safety car out on the track, and Tom desperately wants the marshals to push him out of the way. We knew it was going to be tight. All the top 11 are within 1 second of each other out on the track. Safety car out. Thomas Biagi looking up the inside, gets punted from behind. Massive crash. And we're going to have to look at it again. Sandro Bettini on Andrea Larini started that, skittled Zurcher and Thomas Biagi out, and into the back of them went bang. Number 45, Gianni Morbidelli. There's some serious damage for that car, and it doesn't look like he'll